People are not so dressed when you get to know them. That's what you have to remember. Everyone has some sort of problem. It's not just you, but practically everyone has some sort of problem. And you think of yourself as having the only problem as being the only one who's disappointed. When you look around, you'll see that there are plenty of other people as disappointed as you are. For instance, when I was in high school, I was hoping I'd be further along than where I am now, 6 years. Remember that wonderful write-up I had in the Torch?
Yes.
It said I would succeed in anything I went into. Oh, holy jeez. That's the Torch.
Here you are, tired to pensive.
I played baritone in that operetta.
Yes, so beautifully.
Huh.
Yes, beautifully, beautifully.
You hear me sing?
Yes.
Really?
All 3 times.
Oh, all 3 performances.
Yes.
What?
Well, I wanted to ask you if you could sign my program.
Well, why didn't you just ask me to?
Well, you were always surrounded by your friends, so much I never had a chance to.
Oh, you should have just...
Well, I thought you might think I was...
Might think if you was what?
Yeah.
I was believed by females in those days.
You were terribly popular.
Yeah.
You had such a friendly way.
Yeah, I was spoiled in high school.
Everybody liked you.
Including you.
Yeah, I like you too.
Well. Maybe that's a program for her. There you are. Better late than never.
Oh my, what a surprise.
Well, it's not worth much now, but hopefully in the future it'll grow in value. There's a difference between being disappointed and being discouraged. I'm disappointed, but I'm not discouraged. I'm 23. How old are you?
Oh, I'll be 24 in June.
Well, that's not old age.
Well, no, but
Have you finished high school?
I didn't go back.
You mean you dropped out?
Well, I made bad grades on my final examination. How is Emily Meisenbach getting along?
Oh, that crowded.
Why do you call her that?
Well, that's what she was.
Aren't you two still going together?
I never see it.
But it said in the personal section that you two were engaged.
I'm not impressed by that, propaganda.
Well, is it true?
Only an Emily's optimistic opinion. What have you done since high school? Huh? Laura. What have you done since high school?
Oh, nothing much.
Oh, come on. You haven't been doing something these 6 long years?
Well, I took a business course at a business college.
How did that go?
Not very well. I had to drop out. It gave me indigestion.
What are you doing now?
Nothing much. Oh, please don't think I can sit around doing nothing all day. You see, I have my glass collection and it takes up a good amount of my time.
What'd you say? Something about glass.
My glass collection? I have one.
People seem to be the biggest problem with you. Inferiority complex. You know what that is? That's when someone will rate themselves. I know because I had it too. When mine wasn't as aggravating as yours used to be. I had it until I took up public speaking. Developed my voice and realized I had an aptitude for science. I never thought of myself as anything outstanding whatsoever. Now, I've never made a study of it, but my friend says that I have a way of analyzing people better than doctors who make a profession of it. I don't think that to be necessarily true, but I can definitely read a person's psychology, Laura. Excuse me. I always take it out when the flavor's gone. I'll just use this scrap of paper. I know what it's like to get stuck in your shoe. Yeah. But that just seems to be the principal trouble. A lack of confidence in yourself. You don't have the proper amount of faith in yourself as a person. For instance, I've made this, and I realized it's based on a number of remarks and also a lot of observations of it. For instance, that clumping that you thought was so dreadful in high school, you dreaded to come to class because it was so loud. You see what you did? You dropped out and gave up a whole education for something that was practically non-existent. A little physical defect is what you have, hardly noticeable even, magnified 1,000 times by your imagination. You know what my strongest advice to you is? Think of yourself as superior to someone.